Hey guys, how's it going? I'm trying out something new. I downloaded a program called OBS and I'm doing a share screen capture instead of using my camera and putting it in front of the screen. Anyways, before I begin my video, I want to talk about the Monk Way. The Monk Way really helped my channel grow recently. He came out with a video called My Canopy Growth Stock is up 22%. And I'm just gonna play it. Let's see how this works out.
We knew that we had some great product, and we knew that at that time that we were selling some good product. But
hi, I'm Monk, and this is the Monk
So
Way.
I'm just gonna
Installation expect years to come. Honda companies very risky a year. Canopy is the biggest wheat company out there with Aurora racing along. A very risky, low-value company that has potential to double in the years to come. If you're interested in more information about marijuana companies, I recommend you check out Cyberworld 7, a channel mostly dedicated to trading weed stocks. He went as high as $2 million from trading Aurora stocks, so he knows what he's doing. If you were in my stock market...
So yeah, he promoted my channel and my channel literally grew like 50 subscribers within a day because of his one mention of my channel on his video. So thank you for that, and this is me giving back. So you guys go, if you guys haven't heard of the Monk Way, check him out. He has interesting videos. They're very similar to mine, but he talks about other stocks versus wheat stocks. Okay, next up is Namaste. I bought 11,000 shares of Namaste today. I sold some Namaste shares, like I sold 10,000 Namaste shares because I thought maybe I can play a little swing trade. I should have sold more because I had a feeling that it might drop, because from my experience in the stock market, when a speculation stock doesn't move up, it tends to move down. The stock doesn't stay still very long, so I knew because it didn't have the pressure to go up higher, I knew it was gonna go down. I should have sold more shares, but I had that mentality of a long-term trader, but I bought it back in 11,000 shares. So I sold it at $1.65 at 10,000, and then I rebought it back at $1.45, 11,000. So I should have sold more. I should have sold like 30 or 40 or 50,000 shares, and then rebought back in at $1.45. I would have made so many. I would have made a lot of additional shares if I did that strategy. But my mentality of long term sometimes can bite me in the ass. Anyways, according to Sean, his Namaste 420 video that I watched, he says that Health Canada reports the licensing, the sales to license every Friday. So tomorrow, I believe the stock could bounce for the anticipation of it moving to, that they can get the sales license this Friday. So I'm looking forward to tomorrow's market opening. Next up is Canopy Growth. I'm gonna title this video Canopy Growth moving to the New York Stock Exchange on May 24th, because I believe that's a big name. Like, Canopy has a big name, and moving to the New York Stock Exchange is a big deal. Big deal for the cannabis industry as a whole. Big deal to Aurora. Big deal to everyone, because Canopy is moving to the New York Stock Exchange. Everyone's gonna have their eye on the New York Stock Exchange. All these big companies, and for sure Aurora is gonna look at the New York Stock Exchange. And I anticipate after the merger is done, they will move to the New York Stock Exchange. But only time will tell if I'm right. But I believe I am right. But only time will tell if I'm right. Next up is Pharmaceutical Holdings. I was right. It popped, and now it's taking back, and it's going down to 50 cents. I wouldn't buy. I would be cautious. I would put caution on this and wouldn't buy unless it's 30 cents. Like, just don't get greedy. If you see 30 cents and you like this company, or you think, I mean, it's a safe company because Aurora is an investor, and they have an option to invest up to 40% in this company. So unless the management is crooked and there's something wrong with this company, then yeah, don't buy it. But it could be a good trade because it's under $1, right? It's under it's under $1, and that's where you make a lot of money, when you find a stock that's under $1, and it's cheap too. It's only like a $12 million stock. So yeah, I'm telling you just to wait if you wanted to buy into this company. Next up is Aurora Cannabis. 8.47. It popped up 9 cents today. 10 million shares. When everything is down, Aurora was up. There was I think is a pretty decently big news. Basically, they hired someone that is an expert in like making relationships with insurance companies to get coverage for medical prescribed cannabis, and his strategy is to roll it all over the world, like all internationally. So this is really good because it helps Aurora with establishing themselves as a global medical cannabis brand. Because like when people are covered by medical, they tend to buy more and smoke more because they're covered by a medical program, I guess. And then I guess the last one is Cannabis Weed. I want to bring this subject up. The Cannabis Weed raised $100 million. This is very good. This is good and bad at the same time, because this will really dilute the shares, and the company really has to execute a lot because they need to basically, the stock is extremely diluted because of this $1.40 sale for 71.5 million shares with an option of another like 15%. So this could dilute the share to almost 600 million shares. So the company, in order for the company to be $2, the value of the company has to be at least over $1 billion. So the company really has to execute, and BMO is playing very safe because they are buying at $1.40, and I think $1.85 is they can't sell until it hits $1.85. So yeah, this is good and bad because Cannabis Weed now has the capital to do what they need to do to grow massively as a company, but they are competing against Canopy, they're competing against Aurora and Aphria and a bunch of other big players. So I mean, if you guys really love this company, do your research, buy into it. I'm waiting actually. I'm waiting. I have a price in my mind where I want to buy this stock. If it hits that price, I will buy it. But I'm not going to tell you guys what it is because I don't want to give away my strategy, because apparently most of my viewers are are like stock traders, right? So anyways, thanks for watching, guys. If you like this new style video, give me a thumbs up. If you don't, give me a thumbs down. Subscribe for future updates, and have a great day. Bye.